And the rock pivotal, Sir Frederick Una Mujer Speed Admiral as they leave the straight. We have Sir Frederick Una Mujer in second. Pass forward Speed Admiral Isari outside, Terry Toon by the rail. Pivotal comes next is Strong Boy, Green Lane, and Okidoki. Rounding the 3/4 mile distance, Sir Frederick, the lone gray galloper. We have Sir Frederick by 2. Running in second, pass forward is Speed Admiral down in third, followed by Pivotal. Then running by the rail is Strong Boy, Una Mujer in between runners as they head towards the last 800. Sir Frederick still leading the field. Pass forward remains in second. Is Speed Admiral, is Strong Boy moving up by the rail. Then comes Una Mujer as they head towards the last 600. Sir Frederick is still leading the field. Pass forward remains in second, and by the rail is Strong Boy. Is Speed Admiral closing in on the outside port together with Pivotal. Green Lane also arriving to the race to us. They turn for home. Pass forward, Sir Frederick is Strong Boy. Green Lane is Speed Admiral Isari outside. With the last 200 meters more to run, Green Lane takes the lead. Pass forward, moving up is Speed Admiral on the outside. Green Lane is Speed Admiral on the outside. Is Speed Admiral doing the better over Green Lane. Then comes pass forward Strong Boy and Sir Frederick for your Pentapecta.